This is an exciting day. I'm going to be building a brand new gaming/video editing PC. So let's take a quick look at the components I've chosen for this build. First things first, we've got the case. Now this is an NZXT H510. It's an Elite and it's in black. For the motherboard, we've gone for the Asus ROG Strix Z390F Gaming. For the processor in this build, we've gone for Intel's Core i9 9900KS. Now this is a special edition running at 4 GHz and it boosts to 5 GHz. For the processor cooler, we've gone for the NZXT Kraken X62. This is an all-in-one RGB water cooler. For memory, we've gone for 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 XMP profile running at 4000 MHz. For next generation gaming, I've gone for the Nvidia GeForce RTX 2070 Super. This is from MSI and it's also the Gaming X Edition. For my boot disk and for the scratch disk, I've gone for 2 NVMe M.2 drives. These are Samsung 970 EVOs and they're both 1 TB each. For my games, apps and my video editing projects, I've gone for 2 of these 4 TB hard drives. They are Seagate Barracudas and they've got 256 megs of cache. And for my power supply, I've chosen the Corsair RM750X and this is a fully modular power supply, 80+ gold rated. And finally, my huge Samsung monitor. It's a WQHD 2K monitor. It's curved and it also has a 144Hz refresh rate. So why upgrade? Well, I've realised my PC is 10 years old. And that means the latest game titles are struggling and also Premiere Pro struggles to edit 4K footage. This is my current machine. It's been a great PC to me. I've upgraded it quite a bit over the years. As you can see, it's an absolute beast for its age. So this has a water-cooled i7-2700K. That's overclocked to 4.8 GHz. It has 16 GB of Vengeance memory, and that's running at 1866. The graphics card you can see in this is a triple fan, triple slot Zotac GTX 1070. This PC came with 2 GTX 580s in SLI. As you can see, there is more storage in this thing than you can shake a stick at. Each one of these drives is 2 TB. There are also 2 500GB SSD drives up here. I've got an old Sound Blaster audio card. There's a OCZ, which is now Toshiba, 850-watt power supply, and that's also modular. You've got to think, the processor, the memory, and the motherboard in that thing are old. Technology moves on so fast, so I thought it's 2020, let's get an upgrade. So, let the build begin. So this PC build took about 8 hours in total. I hope you'll agree it looks like a killer machine. It's an achievement for me to build this 10 years down the line, and it's given me so much self-satisfaction. I'm pretty happy with the cable management. I'm going to bring you in now so you can see this. I'll also show you the rear of the machine and show you how I've cable managed it from the back. So that is my build complete. What did you guys think to this? Did I do a good job? Did I do a bad job? Let me know down below. So I've imported the Dubai video into this project. Now this was filmed on the iPhone 11 Pro Max in 4K, and you can see it scrubs really easily. I have that private yacht shot right there. Bring that in. Some of the jet skiing. Hot air balloon ride across the desert, which was fantastic. Camel riding, that was very sore on the bottom, if you know what I mean. A little bit of the Miracle Garden, which was fantastic as well. And finally, the gold shot. This is the gold bar that I purchased from a jeweler. Yeah, I'm really impressed. This runs very well. But going forward, it just shows that this machine can really tackle this without a problem. Let's play some games. Wow, look at that. We're getting 100 frames per second, ultra settings, 1440p. Oh, that was a fail. Well, I have to say, everyone, this is running really well. Let's move on to Shadow of the Tomb Raider. We're running ultra settings, again 1440p. Wow. 80 frames per second. I've got to say that runs really well. This forest scene looks incredible. Look at that though. Quality of that is awesome. Right, the results are in. We got an average of 84 frames per second. That's awesome. And now we've got some Battlefield 5. And remember, this is ultra settings with ray tracing enabled. 1440p. Getting 60 frames per second. Looks awesome, this game, it really does. This thing looks amazing. The frame rate is suffering a little bit though. We're at 58 frames, 60 frames. It's a little bit jerky at times. We've got tessellation on. It looks amazing though, doesn't it just? Ooh. Come on, buddy. Come back to life. No. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, Jake Billing, today. I really enjoyed this project. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumb up, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Why did you listen? We tried to warn them. I did not let alone create one. You're alive. Thank God for that heaven. I'm afraid to move it. Access denied.